Hello dear students. In the today's class I am going to discuss new profit sharing ratio of the partners. That's the reason I am standing before the camera along with my camera technician Mr. Shivraj. So let us discuss, dear students, how to calculate the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners. In the last video we have seen how to calculate the sacrifice ratio of old partners. So let us see once again in a brief. In the last class we have seen there are two partners, A and B. So we can say them as the old partners, or you can say the existing partners. They are going to admit one more partner called C. He is the new partner. So he is coming into the firm as a new partner. So that is the reason we can say him as a incoming partner, or you can say new partner. After admitting this partner, these old partners sacrifice their old ratio towards the new partner. So in the today's class, what I am going to discuss here, what I am going to show you before you all, how to calculate new ratio of all the partners after admitting new partner. After admitting new partner, here is C. Okay. So after admitting C as a new partner, they become A, B and C are the partners of the firm. So for calculating, dear students, for calculating this new ratio, there are several circumstances. So there are several parts are there. So let us see one by one. So okay, dear students, in the first circumstance, the examples they will give the old partner's name A and B and their old ratio. After this, they will mention the new partner name and his new ratio. They will ask us to ascertain new ratio of all the partners after admitting C. So this is very important circumstance. So in this problem, the examiner asks you to ascertain new ratio by giving this information. So the information is provided only old partner's name and their old ratio, new partner name and his new ratio. In this problem, nothing is mentioned. How the incoming partner acquires from the old partners. So under these circumstances, so we can see several examples. Dear students, so I am going to solve the problems regarding the calculation of new ratio under these circumstances. The question, the image of the question will be on the screen. You can see it. Okay, dear students, in that image you can see, look at Anil and Vishal are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. See here, the old partner's name is Anil and Vishal. These two are the old partners. So, and their old ratio of old partners, that is 3:2. It does mean that 3/5, 2/5. This is the old ratio of older partners. Here, you have given the name of a new partner. They admitted Sumit as new partner. New partner name is Sumit. Sumit's new ratio, that is 1/5. 1/5, it is the new ratio of Sumit. So, in this circumstance, they have provided only the old partner's name and their old ratio. New partner name, new ratio. So nothing is mentioned how the incoming partner acquires from the older partners. So how to ascertain the new ratio under these circumstances? Let us see. The simple thing is, while ascertaining the new ratio under this situation, we need to give the new ratio of the new partner to the new partner only. The remaining profit will be distributed to the old partners in their old ratio. Let's see. Let the total profit of the firm be 1. Here I am assuming the total profit of the firm be 1. The new partner, who's that? Sumit, gets 1/5 share. Therefore, remaining profit after giving the new ratio to the Sumit, the remaining profit will be 1 minus 1/5. The total profit of the firm be 1. The new partner Sumit gets 1/5 share. So we have to deduct 1/5 from the total profit. So there will be 1. The LCM will be 5. 1 5s are 5 1s are. Right? 5 minus 1 1s are 1 is equal to 4/5 is the remaining profit. Now let us ascertain the new ratio. New ratio is equal to remaining profit into, look here, this remaining profit is to be distributed among the old partners in their old ratio. Sometimes there will be agreement between the old partners to share the remaining profit. In this problem, we have not at all mentioned regarding that ratio. That is the reason we are distributing this remaining profit in the old ratio only. Okay. New ratio of the first fellow, Anil. New ratio of Anil is equal to remaining profit is 4/5. Anil's old ratio, that is 3/5. Sorry, 3/5 So the resultant will be 12 by 25. Similarly, new ratio of Vishal. Same. The remaining profit is 4 by 5, but his old ratio is 2 by 5. So 8 by 25. They have already given the new ratio of Sumit. Because he is the new partner, they mentioned his new ratio, so that is 1/5. It is here 1 by 5. But in this fractions 25, so we need to convert this 5 into 25. So 5 by 5 will get 5 by 25. Okay. Therefore, new ratio of Anil is to Vishal is to Sumit. Look here, 12 by 25 is Anil's new ratio, 8 by 25 Vishal's, and 5 by 25 it is about Sumit. Or you can say new ratio, that is 12 is to 8 is to 5. This is the new ratio of all the partners. So the answer is 12 is to 8 is to 5. By solving this problem, like this, you can get the 6 marks for your examination under section C. Okay, dear students, we have seen how to ascertain the new profit sharing ratio of all the partners after admitting new partner. So let us see one more example. So the example will be A and B are the partners. The image will be on the screen. In that image, dear students, there are two partners. A and B are partners in a firm, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. There are two partners, namely A and B, and their old ratio, that is 3:2. They admit C into the partnership for 1/6 share in the profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Look here, the new partner is C. He gets 1/6 share in the future profits. How to solve this kind of problem? So as I said already, dear students, so under this circumstance, they will provide only the name of older partners and their old ratio, and name of new partner and his new ratio. Nothing is mentioned how the incoming partner acquires from the old partners. So in that situation, so we need to ascertain the new ratio by this, like this. Okay, let the total profit of the firm be 1. So here I am assuming the total profit of the firm be 1. The new partner, next step, new partner, his name is C in this problem. He gets, how much he gets? Sorry, 1/6 share. Out of total profit, he gets 1/6 share for his future profits. So after giving this much profit to the new partner, what will be the remaining profit? So therefore, remaining profit is equal to the total profit of the firm is 1. So we have to deduct 1/6 from the 1. So we can say it is 1. 1 and 6, the LCM is 6. 1 6 za, 6 1 za. 6 1 za 6 minus 1 1 za 1 will be 5 by 6 is the new ratio, remaining profit of the firm. So with this we can calculation of new ratio. New ratio of all the partners. The equation is like this: new ratio is equal to remaining profit that we have already ascertained, remaining profit into old ratio S. New ratio of the first partner is A is equal to, what is the remaining profit that we have ascertained? Look here, 5 by 6. 5 by 6 into their old ratio, that is also 3:2. 3:2 means 3 by 5 is the old ratio of A. 5 3s are 15 divided by 6 5s are 30. Similarly, new ratio of B, remaining profit, that is 5 by 6 into his old ratio 2 by 5, 10 by 30. Then new ratio of C, he is the new partner. They have already given his new ratio, that is 1/6. Look here, 1 by 6. Simply we need to convert this 6 into 30. So for getting this 30, we need to multiply 5 by 5, will be 5 upon 30. Okay. Therefore, new ratio of A is to B is to C. New ratio of A is 15 by 30, 10 by 30, 5 by 30, or 15 is to 10 is to 5, or you can simplify this: 5 3s are, 5 2s are, 5 1s are. 3 is to 2 is to 1 is also right, or you can say 15 is to 10 is to 5, it is also right. You can solve the problem like this. So dear students, let us see one more problem. So that is quite different from existing one. So let us see on the screen. That will be image. In the third image, dear students, look here. A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 7:5. They admit C into the partnership and give him 1/4 share, and 1/4 share. A and B agree to share remaining share equally. Calculate the sacrifice ratio. So in this problem, old partners A and B, the new partner is C, look here. The old ratio of old partners, old ratio is 7:5. The old ratio is 7:5. 7:5 means 7/12, 5/12. The old ratio of C is will not be there. The new ratio of C, that is 1/4. In this problem, the old partners agreed to share remaining profit equally. So remaining profit is to be distributed among the old partners equally. So how to ascertain same? So look here. Let the total profit of the firm be 1. Let the total profit of the firm be 1. New partner, therefore, new partner, who's that? C, gets 1/4 share. Therefore, remaining profit is equal to 1 minus 1/4. The LCM will be 4. 1 4s are 4, 4 1s are 4. 4 1s are 4 minus 1 1s are 1. It will be 3/4 is the remaining profit. So calculation of new ratio of all the partners. All the partners. Okay, therefore new ratio is equal to remaining profit under these circumstances, under this situation, the old partners have agreed to share remaining profit equally. That is the reason we need to distribute remaining profit among the old partners as per their agreed ratio. Agreed ratio. Instead of writing old ratio, here I have written agreed ratio. Okay. Therefore, new ratio of A. New ratio of A. So remaining profit 3/4 equally means 1:1. Old partners are A and B. Equally means 1:1. 1:1 means 1/2, 1/2. Right? Here their agreed ratio is 1/2. So is equal to 3 1s are 3 divided by 4 2s are 8. Same. The new ratio of B is equal to remaining profit is 3/4. The agreed ratio is 1/2 is equal to 3/8 is the new ratio of B. So new ratio of C already they have given in the problem. New ratio of C, just we need to convert the fractions. The new ratio of C is 1/4. 1/4. To get 8 from the 4, we need to multiply 2 by 2. So you can write 2 by 8. Therefore, new ratio of A is to B is to C is 3 by 8, again 3 by 8, 2 by 8, or we can write 3 is to 3 is to 2. Like this is the method for ascertaining the new ratio under the first circumstance, dear students. The new ratio is 3 is to 3 is to 2. So further, in this problem, dear students, they are asking to ascertain this one sacrifice ratio. As you all know, dear students, for calculating, for ascertaining the sacrifice ratio, we need old ratio as well as new ratio. By applying this, we have ascertained the new ratio of all the partners, but already the old ratio of A and B is there, 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. How to ascertain sacrifice ratio with this? So I'll show you in detail. Okay, dear students, look at, they are asking to ascertain sacrifice ratio of old partners. So in the last line you can see, calculate the sacrifice ratio. As you all know how to calculate the sacrifice ratio in the previous videos. So let me show once again. Calculation of sacrifice ratio of old partners. Old partners means A and B. So as you all know, dear students, while ascertaining the sacrifice ratio, we need to ascertain the sacrifice ratio of old partners only, but not the new partner. For ascertaining the sacrifice ratio, the equation will be sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. This is an equation that we have already studied in the previous videos. So let us ascertain the sacrifice ratio of old partners. The first old partner is A. Sacrifice ratio of A. Sacrifice ratio of A. What is the old ratio? Old ratio of A is 7 by 12. Minus, we need the new ratio of A, that is 3 by 8. We need to ascertain the LCM of this 12 and 8. 4 3s are 4 2s are. So 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. The LCM will be 24. Okay. 12 2s are 8 3s are. Okay. 14 minus 9. The resultant figure 5 by 24 is the sacrifice ratio of A. Similarly, so let us see sacrifice ratio of B. The old ratio of B that we have ascertained 3 by sacrifice ratio, old ratio of B is 5 by 12. It is here. Old ratio is 5 by 12 minus the new ratio is 3 by 8. Same, the LCM of 12 and 8, 24. 12 2s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 5 2s are 10, minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 1 by 24. So as you all know, we are ascertaining the sacrifice ratio of old partners. So therefore, sacrifice ratio of old partners are here A and B. So 5 by 24 is to 1 by 24, or you can write 5 is to 1 is the sacrifice ratio of old partners. So in this problem we have solved two steps. One is firstly we have ascertained the new ratio of all the partners. So while calculating the sacrifice ratio, dear students, as you all know, we need the new ratio as well as the old ratio. So with this, we have ascertained the sacrifice ratio of old ratio. This is the today's class, dear students. Further study we'll see on the next video. Thank you very much.